Cary, North Carolina pressure washing. If you're searching for expert pressure washing in Cary, North Carolina, this video covers everything you need to know about choosing the right service provider, understanding the process, and getting the best results for your property. Our team has the expertise to handle any size of house in Cary, North Carolina, whether you have a single-story ranch or a two-story colonial home with multiple levels. When it comes to decks and patios in the Raleigh-Durham area, our team knows how to make them look like new again by power washing away dirt and grime that accumulates over time. Our state-of-the-art equipment allows us to reach tight spaces and corners where dirt and debris tend to accumulate, giving you a clean home and yard without damaging any surfaces. From siding to windows, we know the importance of gentle cleaning for homes in Cary, North Carolina's humid climate. Our team uses low-pressure cleaning methods to avoid damage or discoloration. We understand that some homeowners prefer a chemical-free approach when it comes to pressure washing their homes in North Carolina. Our eco-friendly methods are both effective and safe. Our pressure washing team uses eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for your Cary, North Carolina home and the environment, ensuring a clean finish without damaging surfaces. We offer flexible scheduling to accommodate your busy schedule. Whether you're working from home in downtown Cary, North Carolina, or enjoying the parks at Jordan Lake, we'll work around yours. As we've been working in Cary, North Carolina, our team has really found their rhythm and are doing some of the best work they've ever done on projects like this house. The dry summer weather has actually helped us get into a groove, allowing for faster cleaning times and more efficient use of our equipment on bigger jobs like driveways. We've also been able to focus on giving each homeowner in Cary, North Carolina a personal touch, tailoring our services to meet their unique needs and making sure every job is completed to a high standard. With years of experience serving homes and businesses across Cary, North Carolina, our team has developed a unique approach to pressure washing that sets us apart from the competition. Our state-of-the-art equipment and expert technicians ensure that every job is completed efficiently and effectively, leaving your property looking its best, perfect for showing off at outdoor events like the Cary, North Carolina Festival. By taking the time to get to know each homeowner's specific needs and goals, we're able to provide customized solutions that meet their unique requirements and exceed their expectations. With professional pressure washing, you can remove dirt and grime from your home's exterior, extend its lifespan, and boost curb appeal by making a lasting first impression on potential buyers. If you are looking for pressure washing in Cary, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates, scheduling, and a team of experienced technicians ready to clean your property today. Click the link below to learn more